Hey guys, I have one more holiday themed tutorial for you this year. It is a fun beginner project that you can create with friends, kids, or on your own. I ended up making 2 trees. The shorter one I'll show you how to create in this tutorial, and it is 4 inches in diameter at the bottom and 10 inches tall. You'll need 30 feet of 5.5mm rope for this tree. The taller tree is 4.5 inches in diameter at the bottom and 1 foot tall. You'll need 50 feet of 5.5mm rope for this tree. You'll also need a styrofoam cone, I got mine at the dollar store, and glue. I'm using a hot glue gun, but this project would probably work with any sort of glue. I bought 2 cones that were the same size and then cut the bottom off of one to make it a bit smaller. If you're enjoying my tutorials, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really does help me out. Thanks so much. Let's get started. As I mentioned, this is such an easy project. All you'll need to do is glue the rope to the styrofoam cone in a couple of spots until you've made it all the way around the cone. Once you've made it around the cone, feel free to trim off a bit of the end of the rope so that the rope that you are wrapping fits into place. Continue this process until the cone starts to get smaller, and then only glue the rope to the cone once per wrap. Here's what it should look like at the top once completed. That's it. Thanks so much for watching.